Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you which fuse to check and which relay to check in case your horn is not working. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press on each tab and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of this cover, you have a small fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be this 15 amp fuse located right here, and that's fuse number F15, and just next to it this is the horn relay. The best way to test the relay is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can try to replace it temporarily with one of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. Now, in case both of the fuse and the relay are good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper. Second most common cause of horn not working is the airbag clock spring. You might want to look into that, but also make sure to check the wiring and the electrical connections and the horn itself, of course. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.